Okurujerwal David Ochanda, Biodiversity Manager ahal Total Energies EP Uganda, na shoborangu Biodiversity team yahereze kukora kyona kiri kubasika n'okukiteeka omu nkora okwetebekanisiza okutimba amafuta kandi emirimo yabo terikwija kuteganisa emyanya erikukumwa. Nagira ngu kampani egi neija kukozesa obwoma oburikutimba amafuta bucurire obukozirwe omuringo gw'omutaano okukora Haritilenga project kandi oburikwija kuba butarikuteera rwari omupaka agari amaka g'ebintu nyamwingi ebirikutuura mu irindiro ry'enyamishwa oteireho ekitongore ekyabarambuzi.
See here, we have an electric fence that has been installed by the Uganda Wildlife Authority, and Total, we've also come in to support this initiative because we feel it will be helpful for the park. It will be supportive to the communities as well, because the electric fence has been found to be a very effective intervention for deterring animals from moving out of the park, especially elephants.
Okubasa kukora kurungi omurimo ogwo aba Total Energies EP Uganda nebija kwatanisa n'ekitongore eky'ebyebibira kya Uganda Wildlife Authority w'omubugufu okureba harangi ezibarukwija kukozesa na n'ebikwatwa omukoro omurimo ogwo. Enshonga ekwatirine na n'obutashisha ebyekyererezi nayo neija kukorwaho kurungi obwe barukozesa ebyoma eby'omutindo ebitarukwija kuteganisa enyamishwa ez'omupaka na n'okurinda eby'obuhangwa ebindi ebiri omu kicweka ekyo.
Again, being inside the protected area, it's important to manage the light to make sure that there is no light pollution or minimal light pollution that would not affect the environment around the well pad. And how we do this is by using warm lighting. We call them warm lighting because they are not so bright. They are colored lights that are really not so bright, like you can see the white lights.
Nkagumwe aha muringo ogw'ekitongore ekyo okukora emirimo yakyo kurungi. Anita Kayongo ari Corporate Affairs Manager wa Total EP nashoborra ngu company yahereze okugaruraho emyanya emwe omu buteeka bwayo nk'ogwe ogwa Jobito.
Kati bwe twabimaliriza ebyo byonna ne tuba nga tulina okukola ki okuddawo coveringa eno area tugezeko ennyo okulaba nti efaanana nga bwe twagisanga. Kati emyaka giyise kubanga wano twazaawo nga 2015 kati okuva olwo paka kati omuntu abanga takulaze jinja lino oliyinza obutategeera nti waaliwo ekkolero nga liri lyetubalaze wali ku wellpad.
Isaac Chirya ari Project Manager wa Wildlife Conservation Society nagira ngu enshonga y'okubaho kw'ebikooko eby'omupaka eshemerire kukorwaho kurungi haihi n'irindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Machizon Falls National Park. Ngunabwe ekyo ashemerire kubaho okwatanisa nk'engaro endyo n'emosho hagati y'ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority kyawuwa kirikutunga obushagiki okuruga mu kitongore kya Total Energies EP Uganda.
Okujja kwa mafuta n'okujja kwa mafuta omu Machizon Falls protected area kikine kyakaterebanizo kyona ebisoro byaitu okuba tukora monitoring, research and monitoring to collecting data elephants na njojo ntura zikurubata zita zikulyaki zikusana zita njojo zichali nyomezi kandi zikuzara so mafuta tikakaza levels zikuzara kandi zicharubata zichali na amali zaliraga mafuta na katakatangi kuyiva mu itaka so tukusaba obuyambe bugeno maiso nuko ebisoro byaitu bisobora kubaho mafuta gahibweyo ebisoro bisigaleho na mafuta bugaliwa musigalire ebisoro byaitu ne paka.
Total Energies EP Uganda eteireho nana okukora orugo rw'amashanyarazi okwehinguririza irindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Machizon Falls National Park okukyendeza za butandu ez'ebikooko by'omwishwa ogumani torokayo okuruga omu irindiro ry'enyamishwa eryo.
These fences are called wildlife fences. They are used internationally, okay, across the globe, around most of these protected areas as a way of an effective barrier that stop animals from getting out of the park. And we feel as Total Energies EP Uganda supporting UWA, this initiative and intervention would be extremely helpful for managing human-elephant conflicts around the protected area and promoting coexistence between communities and the park.
Gashakwagad asaba ahabwa tayari West omuri Buliisa.
2015. So the